Hi, good morning. Odeyemi, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. This morning I woke up late and it's past 8 already, but I'm still on point. So I'll be waiting patiently. As you can see, the trading system, boom, in the money, boom, in the money, boom, in the money, boom, in the money, boom, it doesn't repaint. Here in the money, here in the money, here in the money. But I'm not going to be taking all this trade. I will only take the one that falls within the brown region. Okay, I will take the one that falls within the brown region. Here, here, here. So presently now I'm expecting a put, and it's going to be before everyone now will be taking the trade this morning. Once again, Odeyemi is my name. Please join me and let's mint some dollars. This is binary money minting machine. Money minting machine. Okay? Thanks for waiting. If you are on IQ option, all you need to do is this. Wait until this time here gets to 29 and below. Once it gets to 29 and below, click here and change the time to 5 minutes expiration here. So let's wait. Once this gets to 0.29 and below, okay, good. You see, here has turned to 5 minutes plus. You click on it. So let's wait for the signal. So I'm waiting for the pop-up. Now, pop, I've traded. So as you can see, the much awaited non-repainting binary option money minting machine signal just popped up. It's not over until it is over. So we got to wait for 5 minutes and see if this is going to be in the money or out of the money. So you are going to be very careful when trading. This is a tube like, and you can see the tube is coming closer and closer together, closer and closer. So which means you should be careful whenever you see anything of this nature coming closer and closer together. It is best traded when it is well opened this way. You see, it's well opened this way. But whenever you see the tube is coming closer and closer this way, be careful, okay? But nevertheless, we still got to trade this and our money is awaiting us, okay? We are still in the morning, but let's see how it goes. This is binary option money minting machine. You win much more than the loses, okay? I can guarantee you of straight 7 win from 10 trades. That's a nice one, right? And at times, you can have all the 10 trades you want, but we are not gamblers. And I am not going to be expecting you to be taking 10 trades. 5 winning trades in the day is okay. Take the money and go and rest, okay? So let's watch it as we roll on binary money minting machine. Okay, we are still on the way. You see, it's dropping into the money very well. This is how the money is dropping into our account. And you can see also Euro JPY, which I'm going to take off now. Good. This is how I mint the money. All my trades yesterday went into the money. My first trade this morning, ITM. Okay, so I'm going to wait patiently until when I get another opportunity to trade. Then I'm going to unpause this video. I will pause this video when this trade finishes. Definitely it's going to be ITM. Now that is it. See that? Good. Money must be made. MMBM. This is an opportunity to have another trade, and as you can see, the first trade won. The trend went back into the brown region, and other opportunity for us to hit the jackpot. Okay, so I'm going to wait patiently. Patiently. Okay, let's wait for it and see if this is an opportunity. Otherwise, I'm going to wait for the best time to trade. No, up call. I'm not going to trade up now. I'm looking for down trend now because the signal has already gotten to the brown area. Only down trend I'm going to look out for. So we got to use our brain. As you can see, no matter how good an indicator might be, you still need to have your own judgment over it. Have your own trading rule. See the trading rule I just put in place? It made me to filter the signal. So this, if I have a put signal now, then I will trade the put signal. Also call signal. I'm not going to take the call signal. See, this is the signal for 1 minute time frame. See it here, 1 minute and 60 seconds in the morning, or you put it to 5 minute expiration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Another one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Another one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, but I strictly trade 5 minutes, 5 minute time frame, 5 minute expiration here. Okay, so I leave it at that. As you can also see here, see that? So when you have a trading system, you should know how to make use of it very well. Okay, so I'm waiting patiently for me to have my put signal. Okay, if I receive the signal now, that's good. See that? I just received the put signal, and that is the only time I'm going to trade. And after this, I won't trade. I won't trade after this second trade for now until when I wash the tunnel. This this tunnel, this tunnel here, this tunnel here, until when I wash it balances, just like the 1 minute time frame I showed you the other time. I'll wash it balances like here. So like the 1 minute time frame that happens there. Okay, but the way it is now is on 5 minutes time frame and it's not well balanced. It's not well balanced. Like this, the tube keeps going down. So it's not a good sign for me to trade. and looking at the news that pile up for today, in the next 4 hours, 51 minutes USD, okay? So we are out of the morning for now, but it's not yet over until it is over. We are seeing the morning with a peep. So I will pause this video out of the morning now. I will pause this video to allow the trade to go a little bit to like something like 1 minute to the end of the trade, so that we are not going to waste time unduly on this video. Yeah, bro, as you can see, we are having 1 minute 37 seconds to the end of this trade, as I've told you, and you can see we are strongly in the morning, okay, as in strongly in the morning. So I'm going to, like after this trade, I'm going to wait patiently until the trend touches the brown tube below, so that this tube that is slightly down will be readjust, okay, and I will be able to take more trades. This is my second trade. My name is Odeyemi Akinyemi, and this is binary money minting machine. I emphasize on the minting, because this is how I rule the binary trading world. You know, the fact that I've had so good trading doesn't mean you are going to have same good trading, because I'm able to wait patiently. I'm able to wait patiently. Okay? Can you wait patiently for your signal? Can you follow your trading rules? Some people are just so eager to make money, they thereby blow up their account. I wait so patiently for my trading rules to be met. As you can see before you, two signals came up, I didn't take them. I did not take them. Okay? I love what I do, and I love this trading system. This is my second trade, also ITM. Once again, thanks for watching. Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Thank you and God bless you.